Go. Good day, everyone. This is my report, Chapter 5, Rehabilitation Program. So, by the way, my name is Arinas Tudilio. So, Community-based program. So, rehabilitating offenders is one of the major goals of corrections, probation, parole, and pardon. With parole conditions are implementing post-sentencing measures collectively called community-based correctional program. So, when you say probation, ay isang yugto ng panahon kung saan ang isang tao nakagawa ng krimen ay kailangang sumunod sa batas at pinagngangasiwaan ng isang opisyal ng probasyon sa halip na ipadala sa bilangguan. While ang parol ay ang kondisyonal na pagpapalaya ng mga bilanggo bago nila makumpleto ang kanilang sentensya, while ang pardon ay ang pagkilos ng pagpapatawad o pagpapatawad para sa isang pagkakamali o pagkasala. So, ang community-based program ay design is a social method for designing programs that enable social service provider, organizers, designers, and evaluators to serve um, specific communities in their own environment. So, next. So, the formulation of effectiveness modes of rehabilitation activities are necessary for the successful reformation of qualified offenders and integration to society as law-abiding and productive members in the community. So, in the Parole and Probation Administration, the rehabilitation of probationers, paroles, and conditional pardons is pursued through a community-based program composed of three components, namely restorative justice, voluntarism, and the therapeutic community. When you say parole and probation administration or PPA is the saang is an agency of the Philippines government under the Department of Justice responsible for providing a less costly alternative to imprisonment of first-time offenders who are likely to respond to individualized community-based treatment programs. So, next. So, behavioral management refers to the addressing overt behavior that needs modification, lawlessness, violence, tardiness, disorderly conduct, and other manifested observable behavior that need to be ch- changed and modified should be subjected to the application of the so-called the following TC tools and others. So A is talking to, B haircut, C encounter the group meeting. So very important of the behavioral rehabilitation or management is to help people learn to manage inappropriate action that may cause problems relating to the family members, friends, or co-workers and others. Symptoms that behavioral rehabilitation or management can address include increased irritability, saying or doing inappropriate things. So next. So the emotional psychological category address the inner personality deficiencies that may have been shown the result psychological tests, guided observation, reports, and other similar means. This can be handled through interviews, counseling, and group process and other related approach. So, Ang ang emotional and psychological category is how you think or rationalize something. Mental is of the mind and emotional is the reaction to, or in other words, how you feel about something. Next, the spiritual intellectual category include activities that improve the cognitive and moral development of the client, such as seminars, lectures, trainings, community service, field trips, educational tours, and others. So sa spiritual, so anang sa tong sa eskwelahan naman dati kanang lagnay kanang every morning jud kinaga fellowship jud mi naga face jud mi sa tuang Ginoo. So ang spiritual and intellectual category mo na sa ang capacity of individual to possess a social relevant purpose in life by understanding self. So when you say self, atong kaugalingon and having a high degree of conscience, compassion, and commitment of human values. Next is the vocational survival category. Includes activities related to income generating ventures, life skills, training, tree planting, environmental protection, and other form of livelihood enhancement. So there is a vocational survival category. So ginatest diri ang imuhang life skills kung kung sa ano kanang sa klase so na may subject na kanang naga ano sila kanang tree planting every Saturday sa mga lugar na kay ilangan kanang i-prevent nila ang para ma-reduce ang pagsulod sa baha. So, means pod sa vocational and livelihood and skills training, this program include the setting up of seminars and skills training classes like food prevention and processing. Um, through coordination with local barangays, parish centers, schools, and civic organizations. So next, restorative justice or RJ. As a philosophy and a way of life aims at restoring a broken relationship that resulted from the commission of an offense. Thus, it's something referred to as a balanced form of justice because of its bring together the three major stakeholders involved in the healing of the offenders, the victims, and the community. So when you say restorative justice, it's restoring broken relationship and putting closure to the heart feelings and repairing the damage done among the offenders. The victim and the community is the essence of the restorative justice and the restorative process. Parties affected are encouraged to activity participative together in the resolution of matters resulting from the offense with the help of a fair and impartial third party of the CPPO and the OIC or investigating officer as mediator. So, next. So, mula to tanan ang ako ang report. So, thank you. Hoping na kasabot ang tanan. Doon na. Doon na.